Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing you guys the wig before we get to dyeing it, and I did cut it into like this bob, and these are just pictures of the wig over time since I've been wearing it, since I've had it for almost a year now. So right there I was just indicating where I marked where I wanted the ombre to stop, but you'll see further in the video that I just decided not to really ombre the front. So what I'm doing right now is just sectioning off the frontal. What I'm going to do next is section the hair off into at least 3 to 4 tracks each and put them in hair ties. The dye that I use will be linked down below in the description box, and I just labeled the dye just so I wouldn't get them mixed up. So how I am going to determine which parts to dye is by taking my comb and go under and over, and with each section I'll take the middle part and dye it, or take the outer sections and dye the hair. Also, I'll just be going back and forth between the two different dyes in no real order. It will also be helpful to have aluminum foil, which unfortunately I didn't have on hand at the time. Now you want to make sure you are working that dye into the hair by using your comb, so it will be on every strand of that section. So now I'm just going to keep repeating the process until I get to the frontal. So just a little info about how this video came about. As I was looking at hair transformation videos on YouTube, I kept seeing the same thing, which isn't bad at all. But it was just people bleaching their dark brown wigs to get blonde highlights. But out of the ton of videos I watched, none of them started off with a blonde wig and then adding brown highlights. So I figured, why don't I just give it a try? I mean, I have a blonde wig and it's pretty old, so I might as well use it for something. Yay, we made it to the frontal. So at this point, I was becoming a little skeptical about how this wig would look, but it worked out in the end. So now I'm just going to take the darkest of the browns and work that into the roots of the frontal. I'm avoiding that braided part in the front, well, as much as possible, because I did get a little bit of dye on it by mistake, but I don't want to bleach that part because I just want that to be like the ash blonde highlights in the front. Do you guys see that dimension and variation of browns and ash blonde? So cute, so cute. My boyfriend told me it looks silver, and low-key I can see that. So now I'm just using Got To Be Free spray to lay my wig down. Now I'm just going to tie my hair down with a scarf so that Got To Be can just dry for about 10 minutes. I'm going to now take my flat irons and straighten my hair and do a little bump at the ends, like a little swoop at the ends of my hair. It's going to come out so freaking cute. So I was trying to see if it would be cute to flip the hair and do like a side part, but the hair wasn't cooperating with the kid. Now I'm just going to keep flat ironing the entire wig and giving the ends a little bump. I love. So this style would be cute with a beret, as you can see. And we are finished. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!